new video. Few weeks I Mac OS Sonoma on this 13-inch 2010 MacBook, but I didn't succeed. In this video retry that, and this purpose I bought a USB hub. I was trying different USB hubs because, as you know, in that video I wasn't able to install macOS Sonoma on this MacBook because my keyboard and my mouse wasn't recognized. So, purpose new USB 3.0 hub, and I think it will work. In this video I will put how to create macOS Sonoma USB installer this MacBook using OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Consider to subscribe to the channel. We must download OpenCore Legacy Patcher from this site. Getting started, download and build macOS installer and select OpenCore Legacy Patcher release apps. Now we have the latest software, and we scroll down till the assets section, and from this you must download Open Legacy Patcher GUI zip. If you have this problem, please use another MacBook or more recent software to download the OpenCore Legacy Patcher. I already downloaded it and I will open it, and at this point I want to create my macOS installer on my USB stick. Create macOS installer and download. If you don't have macOS, click download macOS installer. At this point we have the macOS installers: macOS Big Sur, Monterey, Ventura and Sonoma. I already downloaded it, and now I proceed to create a USB installer of macOS Sonoma. I don't use macOS installer because I have one. I will use existing macOS installer. The OpenCore patcher will find on my system the OS, because it will take some time till this OpenCore will find. I will choose install macOS Sonoma. I will select my disk, which is disk 2 USB, and I have a pop-up window, and I must insert my administrative password for creating my USB installer. At this point I have a pop-up window and I must insert my administrative password and click OK. This allows us to transfer all the files from the software to my USB installer. Well, I see that will be some time till the installer will be ready. I think it was about 40 minutes, maybe because this MacBook is old. At this point we have validating installer integrity. After that we must finish this process, and after that we can install OpenCore on the USB installer. I will choose install it to disk. Be very careful which disk you select. My USB, and I will select my EFI drive. Insert my administrative password. Hold Alt key to enter in boot sequence. I will select EFI boot, and I will select install macOS Sonoma, and just wait. I think this USB 3.0 hub resolved my initial problem. I will select disk utility because I want to make a clean install. I will select from this show all devices. I will select my internal SSD and I will erase it. I will rename it Sonoma and click erase, but you can put any name that you want. At this point I want to install Mac OS Sonoma and this MacBook. Be very patient because it will take some time till the install will be done. After the install is finished, I will tell you how much time it takes to install macOS Sonoma on this old hardware. I will agree and I will select Sonoma and click continue. I want to tell you something important. This installer will be automatic and is no need for you to hold again Alt key to enter in boot sequence. So, after 1 hour and 20 minutes and a few restarts, we are in the setup screen. I will set up the MacBook and after that I will run again OpenCore Legacy Patcher to be able to restart this MacBook without USB installer. I will set up my Apple ID later and I choose skip. I will agree with the terms and conditions and I will create an account. Click continue. I don't use. I will set up my time and click continue. I'll click continue and this part I will set up later. I don't want Siri to be enabled and I will choose light theme. I will insert my administrative password and I think the whole process is done. I will copy OpenCore Legacy Patcher to my desktop. At this point I have a pop-up window that shows me that I'm running for an USB installer. I will install it to disk. I will select Kingston my internal SSD and I will select EFI partition. I must insert my administrative password. The whole process is done, but I will ignore it. I will return to my menu. I will go to settings and I will not select show OpenCore boot picker if I want that this MacBook starts normally. I will click return and now I will build again and install OpenCore Legacy Patcher to my EFI drive. Install to disk and I will select again my internal SSD and then my EFI drive. I will again insert my administrative password. And now I can reboot my MacBook and will start normally. Now I can click reboot and my MacBook will start normally. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please consider to subscribe to this channel.